Do you want to know how to keep yourself engaged? Well, watch the video until the end. You will need a bunch of wires. I'm using black and grey. You can use any number, but then you will only need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You will only need 15. I suggest you take 16 because I don't think I've counted properly. Okay, 1 second. These wires fell. Okay, so for this project you will need 5 modular boards. 5. You will need a microprocessor, a speaker, a battery, and a tricolor LED. So I'll keep looking on this side because I've got the instructions over here. So I'll show you how to arrange the modular boards. I'll put the picture over here. Okay, I'll put the picture over here. Okay, so I'll just fast forward this way because you already know how to arrange it. So fast forward. So once you've arranged it, you have to take the tricolor LED, place it in an horizontal manner over here like this. Okay, like this. Fine. So now once you've done that, you would want a speaker to your left of the tricolor LED. Wait, no, to the right of the tricolor LED. You will want a microprocessor in the straight center. And you will want the battery in the in the front. And you will need a push button also. I forgot to mention that. I'll get it. 1 second. So then you just place it like this. So push button here, microprocessor here, speaker here, and battery in the front, and a tricolor LED over here, as you can see. So now once you do that, let's start with the connections. The connections will be shown over here. Okay. So now we have to you have to connect. You have to connect M negative or the negative terminal of the microprocessor to the negative terminal of the battery. You will need to connect terminal A to terminal C. I mean program A to program C. I'm screwing up today. You will need to connect program E to program F. I'm using the longest wire for this. I have no idea why. I have to connect the positive terminal of the battery to push button 1. Why is it bent? Because it's bent. You can see it, right? See, it's bent. Let's throw it away. Let's choose some other one. Yep, connect the positive terminal of the battery to push button 1, or the first terminal of the push button. I have no idea how you say that. You will need to connect the second terminal of the push button to MI1. You will need to connect MS13 to speaker 1 and MS14 to speaker 2. Then you will need to connect MO8 to TC1 to the first terminal of the tricolor LED. Then MO8 to the second terminal of the tricolor LED. MO9 to the third terminal of the tricolor LED. And then the negative terminal of the battery to TC4 to the fourth terminal of the tricolor LED. Then as a final connection, you have to connect M plus to bat plus, M plus to battery plus. I don't know why I said bat plus. Okay. Wait, so let me read how to play the game. I'll read it out. Whenever you see the blue light, press your push button. Press the push button to start the game. The tricolor LED will blink 3 times. Then you'll hear a tone play 3 times. After that, the LED will flash randomly. Push the button every time the blue LED lights up. If your trap is successful, you'll hear a tone. After 4 successful traps, the game will move to the next level and the speed will increase. The game is over when a buzzer sounds and the blue LED lights up for 3 seconds. Okay, so this is how you score. It's over here. Now let's press the push button to start the game. I'm literally looking through the camera to do this. Ah, shit. So it's basically like that. If you push it at the wrong time, then the red one will sound. So let's start. Yes. Ah. Yeah, so that's exactly how you play it. So I guess I'll see you guys again next time. Good.